Welcome to the PCS Company product demonstration video. Today we'll be discussing the socket connectors, which are non-interchangeable. The PCS Company offers a non-interchangeable socket connector with a patent-pending hex design on the interior when used with the mating plug, which helps to eliminate mistakes in cooling connections. This design keeps the same flow diameters and clearance requirements as a standard connector. Following are several features. Eliminates in and out connection mistakes. It controls the flow direction every time. It includes faster changeovers, there's no guesswork. It ends the confusion and guarantee part quality and cycle times. It fits into the same space as standard round fittings, there's no remachining. The flow diameters and clearance requirements remain the same. Items with the quote-unquote NB suffix have a hex-shaped quick disconnect feature, while standard fittings have a round quick disconnect feature. Also, as an improved feature of this product is the twist lock function that prevents the water fitting from unintended disconnection. The non-interchangeable socket connectors are available in 200, 300, and 500 series, along with the corresponding male connector plugs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit www.pcs-company.com for more information.